Hello, and welcome to creating a new Google Classroom. Have you been searching for ways to make it easier to give feedback to your students? Have you tried to find easier ways for students to turn in assignments? Do you just want a quick and easy way to allow all of your students to receive a class announcement from you? If so, Google Classroom can provide a solution for this. You can manage several classes all in one spot. Google Classroom provides easy setup for teachers and students. Let's get started. The first step in this process will be to go to classroom.google.com. Once you are here, the fun will begin. If you are working in a school system that already allows you to have access to a Google account, you will need to make sure you are logged in within that system. At the top right of your screen, you will see a plus sign in which you can create or join a class. You will click Create Class. Now enter your information for the class you are setting up. You will provide a class name, section, and subject. Once you have done this, you will click Create. The next step in this process is to invite your students to join the class. There are two ways to do this. You will need to click Students in the middle top of your screen. You can choose to invite students by emailing them. If you choose this option, you can set up a contact group within Gmail. The other option is to use the class code provided on the left top of your screen. At the bottom right of your screen, you should see a plus sign. You can create announcements, assignments, or questions with these tools. Announcements can be created by clicking the plus sign. An announcement can include links, attachments, and videos. Class assignments can also be sent using the plus sign. The assignment will need to be named. You can provide instructions and due dates. Questions can also be asked through Google Classroom. Here again, you will click the plus sign and create the question you want students to answer. You are now ready to begin your adventure with Google Classroom. You and your students will have an awesome classroom experience using technology to enhance it. Produced and narrated by Krista Hostelo. Graphics provided by Creative Commons. Video production tools provided by ProShow Gold and Screencast-O-Matic.